Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove the background from a GIF image. So I'm going to put this image from The Simpsons. I think this GIF very popular on the internet. And I'm going to make this full screen. It will occupy the entire area of the design. And when it comes to removing the background, it is not exactly clear because if you are inserting a picture, let's say using this picture, you have the option to remove the background. That is this background remover menu. But for a GIF picture, it is not available. It's not easy to actually remove the background from a GIF picture. So how do you actually solve that problem? Well, if you actually remember that a few months ago, Canva introduced a background remover for a video. So what we can do now is we are going to turn this GIF into a video, and then we are going to use the background remover feature for a video, and then we are going to convert the video back to a GIF animation. So here's how you can do. First, of course, you have to put the GIF animation into your document, and then ideally you want to have the canvas that is the same dimension as the GIF. If not, you can also just download you can resize the document, and after that you can download this as a video. Let's click share, click download, and then I'm going to be selecting MP4 video, and I guess I'm not going to be choosing highest quality because there is no point for that for a GIF animation. And let's click download. Now I just need to wait until the video is being rendered and then download it to my computer. This process actually can take quite a while, even though for a simple 5-second GIF animation, and that's just the nature of rendering a video. So when it is done, you can upload this file into your document again. I'm going to add a new page, and let's drag and drop the file right here. It should be immediately uploaded into our document, and I'm going to resize this. Let's make it bigger. And we cannot do anything yet because it's still in the process of uploading the file into the Canva account. So you have to wait until it finishes. And when it is done, you can see that now we have plenty of new options available because now this is a video, no longer a GIF. So let's click background remover and see what's going to happen. I actually haven't tried this, so I don't know what's going to happen if I click the background remover, because sometimes the AI is not doing a great job when it comes to deciding what is the foreground and what is the background. So this time around, it actually decides that the person, Homer and Mr. Peter Griffin, is actually the subject, so they remove the background. It is not perfect though. It is definitely far from perfect, but if you're just using a clip from this GIF, then I guess you can rely on this technique. So when you're done, you can download this file back as a GIF. But let me remove this first page first and click download, and then you want to select GIF as the format. And I don't want to use a big size. I just want to use something more moderate like this. And by the way, you can enable transparent background if you want to. And lastly, click download. Okay, it's almost finished. And you know, the funny thing about a GIF format animation is it could be bigger than the regular MP4 video. So the original MP4 video was only 1.2 megabytes, but the GIF animation could be way bigger, and it took a lot longer to actually render this file. So that's one thing to keep in mind when you're using or dealing with the GIF format. Okay, now it has been downloaded and it is 2.1 megabytes, and this is the result. Okay, not exactly pretty, but if you are using a GIF with a clear contrast and color separation, you probably will not see that artifact. And also, I hope that the background remover feature in Canva will get better, and eventually we will get a much cleaner result in the future. So anyway, that's how you can remove a background from a GIF animation in Canva.